Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Premise and how you can contact Premise if you have a problem. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first of all, Premise is an app where you can earn money online easily. You have to complete tasks near your location. Mostly those tasks are surveys, but there are other tasks as well. So if you have some problems with the app or with the cash out method, you can contact Premise. If you go to the account, which is at the bottom of the screen, then click on the contact us, and after that submit a request. So there are topics like cash out, task review and approval, task availability, app error, account suspension, suggestions, and others. So let's see if I want to ask something about the cash out. If I have some problems, click on that, and here you have to type your message, and after that you have to send that message and they will contact you after your request. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.